Can I get the Impossible breakfast sandwich and then a hot chocolate?
You're out of the Impossible sandwich right now.
What the hell? Okay, let me do a grilled cheese.
Got it.
And the egg whites, roasted red pepper bites.
Got it. And then what size hot chocolate did you want?
I'm gonna do the grande.
Gotcha.
I've been working on my lingo for this because last time I said small. That'll be all.
Alright, your total's gonna be $15.50 at the window.
Could you add a little almond milk to it?
You want it made with almond milk?
Not a lot though. I don't want the water. Yeah, made with almond milk. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you still want the whipped cream on it?
Yes, that's fine.
Got it. So $16.25.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey y'all, you already know where I'm at. Welcome back to my channel. Are you living right? Baby, I am, and I always will be. Today has been a crazy morning. Honestly, not feeling today at all. It's gloomy outside. I'm not really doing nothing today, so today is gonna be a combination of today and tomorrow together. Not doing nothing today. Really just going home, taking my hair out, and that's about it. I might do burgers and fries later, and that's really gonna be it in some Lifetime, because I did miss the episode last night. Lifetime, and honestly, y'all, when I got off that live last night, I knocked out. Like, I went straight to sleep. I didn't have no energy whatsoever. Hopefully you guys can tell in my, my vibe on live, because I tried to make it, real. Hopefully I wasn't boring or nothing, but I was trying to talk with y'all and everything, conversate. So congratulations to all the winners though. Deborah Rozier, Stephanie, and Tiffany Love. Congratulations, you guys. Yeah, and thank you for guys and everybody that was on there last night. Thank you guys for always watching my content. I really appreciate you guys. You guys just don't even know it. Like, I strive to put out videos every day. Even with working, I just try to, to do that for you guys, because this is really what I want to do, like, forever. This is what I want to do. So congratulations to the winners. Hope you guys have a happy holidays. And I was saying on the live last night, if you did miss it, that the next giveaway is going to be when I get to 500, and that's going to be an even bigger giveaway. So you guys, if you're not subscribed, where the heck are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell your friends, everybody, honey. Tell everybody that BeingAshleyForReal, that they need to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, it's gonna be a really slow day. I'm gonna record some of me taking my hair down, but like, that's really not entertaining. But I mean, I'm still gonna record a little bit of it, and then when I cook, the burgers and fries. So yeah, as you see, they was out of the Impossible sandwich things. I was like, nothing I get here, they have something like. So I just got the grilled cheese and the egg bites. I honestly wanted the kale and pomegranate, I can't even talk, the portobello mushroom one, but I just don't like the eggs. I prefer egg whites over eggs, especially from outside places. I don't really care for it. So yeah, you guys, yeah, so I'm really not doing much today, but just going home and chilling. It's supposed to actually start raining at 2 p.m. It's currently 12:48. So yeah, I'm about to take this hair down because it's long overdue. I should have been took it down, but with my schedule and everything, I couldn't do it. So yeah. And I'm actually getting the I actually wanted the hot chocolate, but my sister was like, she get hers with the almond milk, and I was like, well, I need to probably get mine with almond milk, even though I don't really like milk. But it makes sense because I don't like everybody water, so I'd rather do it with almond milk than anything. So yeah. Oh, they moving fast today, baby. Make sure I get close, because I always freaking mess up my time. Hey, how you doing? I'm good, love. Thank you.
You have that hot chocolate, crispy grilled cheese, and egg white bites, right?
Yes.
Here's that hot chocolate.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you, love. You have a good day. Thank you. Oh, thank you. So, yeah. Well, everybody ever woke up in I'm sure everybody does. Woke up in like a funky mood. Like, it's like I don't have like the energy today. Like, I haven't even gave y'all the smile yet, but yes, there you go. I know I haven't smiled. I know usually when I do my intro I smile, but you know, we all have our days, so it is what it is. Oh, it's crazy. It's hot. It's like yeah, I'm not gonna be able to eat that. I'm not gonna be able to take a bite because it's so hot. It's crazy. My mom said she actually got her grilled cheese today too, and she's talking about something. It wasn't that hot, so let me see what she's talking about. Cause last time when I got a grilled cheese, baby, it was burning. Okay. Well, I kind of see what she's talking about. Yeah, it's okay. It's not steaming hot like it was last time. Well, it's still hot. Well, it's still warm. It's not hot, like frosting hot, but it's warm. I don't know if they like pre-made these, because I would think they would do it like fresh to order. Yeah. I can see what she was talking about. It's a little hot. It's 75 degrees, y'all, and it's supposed to be raining today. The nerve. Yeah, I know I can't change this hot chocolate because I already know. Let me see. Okay. It'll do, but it's hot though. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I know I look crazy, looking like a Jerry curl juice, but I just finished taking loose my hair and I'm about to wash it because honestly it's nasty, it's greasy, and the dye from the hair, because I was oiling my scalp, you know, through the whole process, so like the dye was just getting on everything, so it was getting on my nerves. It was time to take it out anyway, so I'm about to wash my hair and I'm gonna set you guys up and enjoy the process because it's gonna be a long process. I'm not gonna flat iron it. I probably will blow dry, but I'm not gonna flat iron. I ain't gonna put no heat to my head. I do have some heat protector spray when I do blow dry it, but for the most part, that's about it. I was kind of deciding which one I want to do in the sink or in the tub, but I thought about maybe I should just do it in the sink because honestly, I don't have those stoppers that, you know, collect the hair when you do it in the shower. And honestly, half of the time I always do it in the sink anyway. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna set y'all up and yeah, let's just get to it because it's about to be a journey, okay?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me.
I'm honestly expecting it to do a lot of shedding, which is usual when you get braids, so don't be alarmed. So I don't know if I showed y'all the product, but I use these products. This goes with like, you know, the curly texture, and I also do this like when I get braids or anytime, because I want my natural curl pattern to come back, and probably because of the color. The color did not damage my hair, but you know how like the texture of your hair changes when you get color. So I go in with this Afro G when I wanna get my texture back. So with this. Like I said, I know it's gonna shed a lot. So.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all I'll show you something, give me more than words. We've had it, that's all please be done. Just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be done. Just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a game, but they say that we'll ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to the military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Yeah, 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more minutes when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls gold and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more minutes when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls gold and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight. I'm with my niggas, yeah. We some rock stars and I'm with my niggas, yeah. Can't walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag. I'm that nigga, got me some cash. Rolling out some cash. Yeah, I got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more minutes when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls move and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more minutes when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls move and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, if I'm coming straight.
All right, so you guys, this is going on for 15, sit with this for 15 minutes and then we done. It's always the combing out process that's the hardest, especially when you get braids because of the stuff they use to grip your hair and stuff, the gel and stuff. So that's always like the hardest part. And once you get over that, you in. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for 15 minutes and then I'll get right back to it.
So right, cause we had trust. I was drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through. I miss you. And you.
Slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my
some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, wax so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone this way you don't end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask her about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back
Lord.
to you. I'm coming back around again.
Baby, let me tell y'all, my hair is a lot. Arm be burning and everything. Took me 10 minutes just to blow dry this hair. That's without straightening it, so. I must say it grew longer. I feel that it grew longer. I feel that it grew longer. Okay. Now we done with that, so let's cook, because that done worked up an appetite.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not feel that little boy in the club? 'Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her wig? You telling me taste the death. Pointing the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it.
So this is everything. I added some spinach to it with the grilled onions. It looks amazing. So it's just me. Got me some ketchup. Have my water over here. And baby, we got Lifetime. So yeah. I know I look crazy. I just, y'all know. Y'all saw the process. So yeah. I'm about to vibe out tonight watching my Lifetime movie. And I'm going to close it out right here. I know I said I was going to make this a two-part thing, like today and tomorrow, but I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna edit. I was just editing as my food was cooking, so I'm gonna edit this so y'all can get this tonight, and then tomorrow it's Sunday and I want to cook. So I did see a recipe online from the Batty Twins with the barbecue salmon and cabbage. So I think I really want to do that. So I will go to the farmer's market tomorrow, get some cabbage and some salmon. And yes, that's going to be Sunday's dinner tomorrow. So yeah, I can't wait for that because baby, they made it look so amazing. So yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you always for watching. I do appreciate all the support. And just remember, you're beautiful, you're smart, you're loving, you're kind, you are successful, and can't nobody tell you different. If they do, they can kiss your ass, okay? Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, bye.